Alright, today I'm going to be installing this light by LEPOWER-TEC. It is a motion light for security outside of my garage, and I'm going to actually replace the light right up there. I'm going to replace that light that doesn't work anymore. We're going to see how well this works. It's LED, so I don't have to worry about floodlights and bulbs, and we're just going to get it done.
This light uses dual PIR motion sensors to provide a 240-degree detection angle and can sense movement from up to 100 feet away. Everything is controlled with 4 simple adjustment knobs. The first lets you set the brightness from 4,000 to 7,000 lumens. The second adjusts the motion detection range from 20 to 100 feet. The third controls how long the light stays on after detecting motion, with settings from 1 to 10 minutes. The fourth knob selects between 2 operating modes. D2D mode provides a soft background light that switches to full brightness when motion is detected. Auto mode keeps the light off until motion is detected, then instantly turns on to the set brightness for maximum efficiency.
Alright, I've got it in test mode. The lights did come on. I had a little wiring issue that I had to fix. We're going to see if we can trigger the light so it turns on in test mode, and then we'll change it back to night mode. There we go. So it worked. Now I'm going to remember my settings in there for the switches, because we have 2 switches. So it's a 3-way system. So I'm going to get those set and we'll see if it works tonight, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work. It worked in test mode. So we'll see you tonight. We're going to test the light, see what it looks like when it comes on. How close I have to be. There it goes. Alright, that's pretty cool. It's very lit up. I like it. Lights up that whole corner. And that's on like the medium brightness setting, so you could go brighter, and I think it'll stay on for about 2 to 3 minutes.
This security light has a 240-degree detection angle, maximum range of 100 feet, and a maximum brightness of 7,000 lumens.